Welcome back to Aunt B's Kitchen, and today guys, this is what we're making. Tater tot casserole. If you want to know how I did this, please follow along. And it don't take long for turkey to cook, guys. So you want to add your bell pepper, onion in here as well. So I got red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and a small onion. This is the time where I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ground cumin and also some chili powder. Okay? And we're going to get this all mixed up in here. It's about building flavors, guys. And also we're going to add in here while we're doing this our one-fourth cup of tomato sauce or tomato paste, or even spaghetti sauce, whatever you like. So this has been simmering now for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it off now, set it to the side. And I have put that bacon and the hash browns in the oven. So when that comes out, we'll show you the next step. These are the hash browns. Been in the oven for about 15 minutes. On 350. Okay, y'all, in this pot we have 2 tablespoons of butter that we're melting here. And we're going to put a tablespoon of flour and make a roux. And we're going to let this cook a little bit, guys. Now we're going to add a half a cup of heavy cream. Turn it down some. And then we're going to start adding whatever cheese that you guys like. Whatever cheese you like. So I'm putting in here some sharp cheddar. Sharp cheddar. We're going to let that melt in there. We're going to also add in here some green onion. Add a little bit more. And now, guys, you can start adding whatever seasonings that you would like to add in there. And all I'm going to add is a little pepper black pepper, because I already have seasoning my meat, and a little garlic powder. That's all I'm adding. Turn it down. Now you want that cheese sauce to be smoother than that. So now I'm going to add a little milk, a little more milk with that. And we're going to let this come together, guys, and we will be back. Now, I'm going to put these tater tots in here. I put 1.5 pounds in here, guys. We're going to put that sauce over this. Because what's going to happen is this is going to cook. This casserole is going to be really nice. And we're coating them with cheese. I'm going to add a little black pepper. And I'm also going to add some seasoning salt. Okay, and we are back. So now it's time to put this casserole together. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And then we're going to bring it out and garnish it as well. Okay guys, you like that? So now it's time for us to garnish this, and we're done with this tater tot casserole. We're just gonna add some onions and bacon and sour cream. Here we go. Okay guys, so look at this. The finished product. Tater tot casserole in Aunt B's kitchen. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Aunt B's kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.